Hi there, welcome once again, and this is the time for learning copy paste image in Adobe Photoshop. When you will work in Adobe Photoshop, you have to copy some object or a subject from an image, and then you have to paste that subject or object or any kinds of elements from the image to other image. So right now we're going to learn how you will copy some subject or any image and how you will paste that subject, object or element to the other image. So as an example, you can take a look. This is an image from our exercise file. A girl is jumping in the air and she's alone here, but we want to paste another girl beside her and she will also jump in the air. So let me turn on this layer 1. Okay, you can take a look. We have another girl from another image and we paste her beside her and she also jumping in the air. So this is the entire process. So let's take a look how you will copy any subject or object from any image and how it will paste that subject or object in any other image. So let's take a look. So at first we have to open our exercise file and therefore we have to go for file menu and from there we will go for open option. Inside the exercise file, you will get this selection and masking folder, and from there we will pick two images. The first one is Anthony Unsplash image and the second one is Dimitri Unsplash image. So we have to select these two images and then we have to click open. Okay, here is our image and you can take a look. A beautiful lady. She wear a red shirt and she is jumping in the air and she have a green background. She have a grass and tree background. And in another image, a beautiful lady. She is also jumping in the air, but she have a wood background. We want to copy her from this image and we want to paste her in this image beside her. So let's start the process. To copy, we have to make a selection for her and we have to use the quick selection tool. So here is the quick selection tool and please make sure you are using add selection form. So we have to start making the selection for her. You can take a look. We have a perfect selection and right now we have to add a layer mask, and to add a layer mask you just have to click on this add a layer mask option and you can take a look. The background is removed and right now we want to move from this image and we want to place her in here. So how we will do that? We can do that easily using the move tool. So here is the move tool and we will move her using drag and drop method. So you just have to drag her from this image and we have to drop her beside her in this image. Okay, so you can take a look. We placed this red shirt woman in here, but we have to scale her properly and therefore we have to zoom out this image, and to zoom out you just have to click on this view menu and from there you just have to click on this zoom out option and now we have to scale it. To scale you can press Ctrl or Command T or you can just click on edit menu, transform option, and from there we will go for a scale option. Okay, cool. So let's scale her properly and let's make some adjustments. Okay, now it looks good. So let me hit the enter button from my keyboard or you can just click on this tick mark. Okay, You can take a look. We have this red shirt girl in here, and we moved from her from another image, and we placed her beside this beautiful lady, and these two girls are jumping in the air, and right now she have the wood background. So this is the process, and I'm pretty sure you will enjoy these things for doing in real time work. And this copy and paste is one of the most essential part in Adobe Photoshop, and you have to do this again and again for many times when you will work in Adobe Photoshop. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and see you in next lesson.